am back. Today we're going to do something a little different on the homestead. We're going to make some buffalo wings, y'all. I'm going to do a little homemade sauce and show you how it's going to go. I'm going to wait. Let me get set up. Alright guys, what I did was I washed my wings, cut them, and let them dry. You always want to have them dry before you cook them the way I do it, at least. I'm going to show you that in a minute. I have some original Uncle Frank's buffalo hot sauce. There it is. And with my hot sauce, I put just a little bit ketchup to break that bitter taste, I guess you would call it. Anyway, it kind of evens it out for me, and I like it like that. Butter, and I'm putting just a little bit salt and pepper, y'all. Don't go nowhere. Let's get this going, guys. Alright guys, like I was saying, we pre-oiled the pan and we put our chicken wings in the, after I cut them up and washed them, of course, in the pan. I ended up with 2 pans like this because I had too many wings for this one pan, but that's okay. We're going to put those in a preheated oven. I'm doing mine at 425 for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes maybe, and then we're going to pull them out, turn them over, and put another, maybe another 5 minutes on top of that. Let's see what happens, guys. Alright guys, what I'm doing now is melting my butter, and I'm going to add the not Uncle Frank's, I'm going to add the Frank's original buffalo sauce, hot sauce. And the thing not to do, that I never do, is let this come to a boil. You don't want to come to a boil on that. So you just kind of stir it in there. Make sure it doesn't come to a boil. And like I told you a little while ago, I'll add a little bit ketchup to kind of take that bitter taste, that not the hot taste, but kind of bitter taste out of the hot sauce. So I always put a little bit ketchup in it. Smell it, cayenne pepper or whatever they got in there. Okay, I'm going to add my little bit of salt and pepper. Now guys, this is how I like it. This is how I like doing buffalo wings. So, it's just to show you. Do it the way you want. But you know, really good buffalo wings. Alright, it's starting to boil, or starting to bubble. So, like I said, we don't want to let it boil. So we're going to go ahead and take it off the fire. Move that over here. Now let me show you my wings. You can see my wings, brown, nice golden brown. We dried them a little bit and let them dry. And now we're going to go ahead and mix our sauce, buffalo wing sauce, with our buffalo wings. There you go, guys. Don't go away. Alright, y'all. I'm going to put my sauce on top of my wings. Mix it in real good. put that pepper all over my hands. So we're going to go ahead and mix it up as good as we can and prepare a meal. So there you have it, guys. Now, that is my buffalo wings with my homemade buffalo wing sauce. And in a minute, I'm going to taste one and see what we got. Oh my. This is delicious, guys. This stuff is some good food. Guys, this is Carl and Dawn Homestead. If you're not subscribed, you like our videos, please subscribe. We're always doing something on the homestead, and we like new subscribers, and we like your comments and your likes. Guys, that means a lot to us. This is Carl and Dawn Homestead. Until the next video, I'm out. I'll see you later. Time to eat. Thank you, guys.